Hi, I'm Lee Merman with Investments in Sarasota. Sales were up 10% from the same period a year ago. That's from July 1st through September 30th of 2024, compared to the same period this year. This is the strongest third quarter we've seen since 2021, which, if you remember, was when people were flocking to Sarasota. Clearly, buyers have left the sidelines. With more choices and more attractive pricing, they're jumping in and they're saying something important. We want to be here. That says a lot about the long-term health and desirability of life in Sarasota. We're also seeing growth in the affordable segment, which matters. These are homes that support our workforce, service professionals, and everyday people who are the backbone of our community. The fact that they're buying into Sarasota right now is a great indicator of economic strength. On the other hand, the luxury market saw about a 7% decrease in sales from the same period last year. What's going on? Some prices are starting to fall below the $1.5 million threshold, and we're still seeing aspirational sellers. Those who are listing at prices that aren't even reflective of where the market is today. When those prices adjust, buyers will jump back in, and that's an opportunity. There's also been a lot of talk about interest rates, but here's the good news. They're not having a major effect in our market. Pricing is the most important factor. In fact, while most buyers in the third quarter were locking in rates in the 6% range, here in October, we're seeing some rates dip into the high 5% range, and buyers are still moving forward. Looking ahead into the fourth quarter and early 2026, I expect this trend to continue. As prices soften a little bit more, even more buyers will enter the market. There's a lot of equity in Sarasota properties, which means there's room for flexibility without any signs of distress. That said, the window of opportunity for buyers won't stay open forever. So what's the takeaway? Q3 was exceptionally strong. Sarasota continues to attract buyers from all segments, and the desire to live here, year-round or seasonally, is only growing. If you're thinking about buying or selling in Sarasota, now is a great time to have a thoughtful conversation.